How to change receiving currency on your PayPal account. If you want to change the currency of your receiving amount, then follow these instructions in this video. First, make sure that you have downloaded PayPal on your phone. If you are an iPhone user, you can download PayPal from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open PayPal. Now make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, you'll see this home page, and here on the bottom you can see different options. Click on the send/request option. Now on the search bar, type in a name that you want to request money from. After that, click on this continue option if this is the right person. Now here type in amount, and on this side you can see this drop down menu. Simply click on it. Now choose the receiving currency that you prefer. After that, simply click on this request option. So this is how you can change receiving currency on your PayPal account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.